Hey guys, my name is Damon Black. Welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Now today's video is going to be a bit different. I've been getting lots of emails and messages from people asking what banking service do I use to manage my online business. So I want to give you my insight and personal recommendation because there's plenty of options to choose from online. Now this video is great for small business owners like me or even relatively large businesses, and also for freelancers that work on Upwork or Fiverr. Now I suggest for you to watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to give you my insight to what service I use, and I'm going to share some tips and tricks to help you manage your online business and save you the hassle on time-consuming everyday tasks. Now if you're someone like me that uses PayPal to process transactions online and has more than one account, this video is going to be very helpful because they have an awesome feature called virtual credit cards, so listen carefully. Now before we get into all the juicy details, make sure to smash that like button below this video. It makes me super motivated to create more awesome videos just like this one. So let's not waste any more time, let's get started right now. Alright guys, so the banking service I use and the banking service I recommend for business owners or freelancers is called Metaprize-commerce-online-banking. Now I've been using them for a few months now, so I'm going to share my thoughts and I'm going to show you all the features that they offer. Now in just a few words, I want to talk about Metaprize. Now Metaprize is an online solution used by businesses or freelancers to send funds and receive payments instantly. Now you can pay others and get paid using ACH, wire, Swift, checks, money orders, and credit cards. And all of this can be done using Metaprize no matter where you are located. Now I don't want to make this video boring and just talk about all the features and the payment options, so let's hop into my computer and let's see if this is something that meets your requirements. Alright, this is the official Metaprize website. When you go to this website and click on this little red button, this is where you sign up. And this is the first part of the sign up, right? So here is your basic name, your business email, your phone number, and your password. Now, once you create an account in the back office, then you're going to have to submit your personal information, your business ID, all your business information, your address, and all of that stuff. And once you have filled in everything, Metaprize is going to review your account and hopefully you're going to get approved. So now let's check out their website and let's have a look at the features. So when you scroll down, you can see that they have a feature called multiple payment options. And this is one of my favorite features that Metaprize offers. Send and receive money using Swift codes, wire and ACH, checks, PayPal, debit and credit cards, money orders, and crypto. This is a huge lifesaver. Now guys, from my personal experience, I have processed hundreds of payments online with hundreds of customers, and I can tell you for a fact, everyone likes, different payment options. Someone prefers PayPal, someone prefers money orders, someone prefers crypto, and there's nothing worse than struggling to, pay someone or get paid. Because I had a bad experience in the past. I had a high-ticket customer that wanted to pay me a couple $1,000s, and the only way he would pay me was using crypto. Well, I had to go out there and create a new crypto wallet, sign up, confirm my account, deposit money, and all of that stuff just to get paid. So it's a big hassle. So that's why this feature is very helpful, and it saves you so much time in the future when you're going to be dealing with clients from all over the world. Because once again, everyone prefers a different payment option. Now obviously they have a feature where you can create invoices. This is something I use every single day. You can send them through emails or even messages on your phone. Now don't worry guys, I'm going to sign in just a couple of minutes. I just want to go over all these features real quick so you can see and you can have an idea what you can expect if you decide to sign up. Now they also have mass payments where you can set up to 200 payments in a single batch. Pay links, pay links are an easy and convenient way to request funds. Just like PayPal, you can request money from someone. So this is the same thing. Now there's one more feature that I absolutely love about Metaprize, and that is the reporting integration. Now this means that you can directly integrate Metaprize with QuickBooks. Now QuickBooks is an accounting software for small businesses. This helps you track your expenses and your income. This is something you need if you have an LLC, a business. And when you integrate this with Metaprize, this makes your life so much easier. So this is one of the things that I absolutely love. Now guys, if you want to have a look at their website, feel free to click the first link below this video. So let me sign in for you guys and let me show you what it looks like in the back office. Now when you first sign up, this is what your account is going to look like. Now you have to fill in all the important information, your business ID, your address, your phone number, basically everything needed. Now then you're going to wait a few days until Metaprize approves your account, hopefully. But until then, you cannot use any of the features. So I created a brand new account for you guys just to show you all of the awesome features that they offer. Now, first of all, this is the dashboard. This is basically an overview of your entire account, right? All the payments going out and all the payments coming in. Now, guys, all bank accounts have this dashboard where you can see all your recent activity. So this is nothing special. Now, while I talk about all these different options, I'm going to pop up screenshots for you guys just to show you how it looks when your account starts being active, right? When you're going to be receiving payments, sending payments. So on screen right now, I'm going to pop up a screenshot, and this is what the dashboard is going to look like for you when you start processing payments. So let's look at the accounts tab. So here you can connect your bank account. You can also set up sub-accounts, and that is going to help you keep track of all your vendors and clients. Now, this is your digital crypto wallet. This is super helpful. This is something I mentioned just a few minutes ago. It's basically to help you manage your crypto in one single place. So whether you use Coinbase or any other service, you can just link your wallet right here. Now, this is your asset account. When you start processing payments, globally, this is where you're going to see your money, right, in different currencies. So now let's take a look at how you can pay. All right, when you click on it, you can see vendors, bills, and payments out. This is super helpful, and it keeps it very easy to track. So let's click on vendors. Now here you can see that you can add your first vendor, and when you click on this button, it's very, very easy, and it only takes like a few steps. All you have to do is fill in all the information and click on the save button. Now let's take a look at the bills. So in this tab, you manage all your bills in one place. You can click on the button create new bill. Now here you can create and convert bills all from the Metaprize platform, and you can pay everyone online instantly. You can pay from your preferred currency from your receiving account. Here you have flexible payment options where you can pay using ACH, Swift, credit cards, or wire transfer. So once again, this is very straightforward. All you have to do is add your vendor, and once you have all of this information filled out, click on pay now. Here are your payments out. Now this is a very helpful tool that's going to help you keep track of all of your outgoing transactions, and you can also run reports for all of your payments. If you need to find a specific outgoing transaction, all you need to do is select a payment date. Now let's look at the ways you can get paid. Now when you click on this tab, you're going to have three options, and that is customers, invoices, and payments in. When you click on customers, now here you can add your first customer. For example, if you're a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork, or you find clients in Facebook groups. Now let's just say you're a video editor and you have your first customer. Now all you have to do is add your first customer, fill out his information, and then you can send him an invoice, right? So when you click on invoices, click on create new invoice, and you can add your customer right here. So the customer name where you have created, and you can send him the invoice directly. So once again, this is very helpful to keep track of all your customers and invoices. Now the payments in, on the other hand, is the exact same opposite as payments out. This helps you keep track of all your payments that are coming into your account. So as you can see, guys, if you're a business owner or a freelancer, the pay and get paid features are awesome, and it's very, very easy to manage. Now, once again, in the invoice tab, you can create customized invoices, and you can send them to anyone with an email address. Now here you can transfer money using either ACH or wire transfer. Once again, very straightforward. I'm sure you're familiar with both of these options. Now, the tool I absolutely love is virtual credit cards. This is something I mentioned at the beginning of the video. This is very, very helpful if you have multiple PayPal accounts, just like I do. So once your account is approved, you're going to be eligible to apply for a virtual credit card. Now this is a Visa credit card that you can use to purchase things online with, or you can link it with your PayPal account. There's literally $0 annual fees on these cards, and the security is on the next level. This is what I recommend for you guys to use if you're shopping online. Now, on the other hand, this is the physical credit card that you can activate as well. As you can see, mine is pending activation, and you can use this once again for payments and ATM withdrawals. With the physical card, you have $0 fees for your first year and $95 for the year after. Now guys, there's one more way on how you can pay your customers, and that is with checks and money orders. So when your vendors receive their check from Metaprize, they can deposit them at the bank just like any other paper check. They can also use a bank's mobile deposit for an easier deposit. Now, another thing that I absolutely love about Metaprize, and that is their security is on the next level. You have two-factor authentication, you have your login history, your IP addresses, so you can see exactly where or when someone has logged into your account. Now, here are just a couple of integrations that Metaprize works with. QuickBooks, just like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, very helpful accounting software for business owners. They also work with Xero, Sync, Netsu, and Sage. So once you integrate your account with one of these options, all the information is going to be passed back and forth. Now guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. This is my honest recommendation, and I recommend for you guys to go with the Metaprice Commerce Online Banking. This is an all-in-one secure platform that you can manage your entire business online with. Zero hassle, and it's great for most business owners or freelancers. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you're new. Now, if you decide to go with Metaprize, I'm going to leave a link below this video. Make sure to check them out right now. I really think that this is the only banking service that you really need. They have all the payment options. You can manage your customers, your invoices, your payments in and out. You can also integrate them with QuickBooks. So in my overall opinion, I think that Metaprize is a great online bank with all the features you need. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.